All fitness coaching should be free. Absolutely free. It should cost people $0. They should get life-changing results. You should show up promptly and in uniform. You should have a high level of education that can deliver world-changing results for people where their entire life is transformed because of the work that you help them do. And they should pay $0 for it. Because you keep saying you do this for the love and not for the money. So I'm challenging you to live within your own words. Do it for the love, not for the money. Do it for free. Or acknowledge that in order for you to do it exceptionally well, you need to make enough money doing it that you don't have to have any other things in your life distracting your focus. And make an awesome living